What's up, guys? Thank you so much for checking out our YouTube channel at Riverside Hyundai. Today, we're going to be checking out the sound system of the 2025 Tucson Limited. Let's check it out, guys. So from the main menu, you're just going to go over to Setup, click on Sound, and right here in your premium sound settings, you have dynamic speed compensation. What that is it'll adjust the volume of whatever music you're playing or whatever you're listening to the speed you're driving. And the startup maximum volume limit, say you were out partying all night and you had the volume blasting, it's going to adjust the volume for the next day or the next time you get in the vehicle. And then from there, guys, we have position. This is just the position of the cabin here. If you want to move it more to the driver's side or just the front in general, you can have it centered all up into the front, however you want. You just adjust it there. And we move into the tone. This is your mids, your bass, your treble. We want those up, guys. And this is gonna be the sound guidance settings. From here, this will toggle on and off audio navigation guidance during phone calls, the navigation volume priority. The media volume will be lowered during navigation guidance. I want that on, guys. And then mute navigation guidance while navigation guidance is playing. Pressing the mute button, that's gonna be right here, guys. So if you have this off, you're not gonna be able to mute any of that. So leave that on. So if it's playing and you don't wanna get interrupted, press that mute button right there on the steering wheel and you won't hear any of that anymore. And this is just a little welcome sound that comes on when you enter and turn on the vehicle. And then from there, we go into radio noise. We got original sound when listening to FM radio, allows full signal sound without reducing background noise. Minimum noise reduction, maximum noise reduction. I want maximum noise reduction. I don't know about you guys. And the next setting is going to be the driver assistance setting. This is your warning volume for if you're gonna hit something or someone, the car is gonna, alert you. So generally, I wanna have that up. I wanna be warned about those things. Haptic warning. This is about actually the vibration in the steering, haptic feedback. It's vibration in the steering wheel. I want that on, guys. I wanna be alerted. I don't wanna get in an accident. Lane safety audible warning. You can turn that on and off. Let's leave it on, guys. This turns off the audible warning used for the lane safety feature if both the audible warning sound and the haptic warning are on. Driving safety priority. It lowers all other audio volumes when driving safety system sounds a warning. Let's leave it on, guys. Safety. That's what Hyundai's known for. Parking safety priority. Lowers all other audio volumes when the parking assist view is active. And then from there, guys, we'll go to connected devices. You have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. When you click on Apple CarPlay, you can adjust your phone volume and media volume accordingly, as well as the ringtone, navigation guidance, and your voice prompts. Additionally, the same aspects with the Android Auto, guys. Thank you guys so much for checking out the Bose sound system on the 2025 Limited Tucson.